guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is featuring this flawless natural makeup. Now I've been wearing this look pretty consistently for the past 3 weeks, and I've been loving it because it's very simple, not too dramatic, very summer appropriate, you know, everyday makeup appropriate. You know, if you're one that wears makeup every day, I do not. But I just love this look. It's just so flawless, so natural, so put together. And I think it comes from me not doing anything to my eyes, which is, you know, I always say like my eyes are my favorite feature or the most noticeable feature. So I like to, you know, be like, bam. But, you know, it helps to downplay them sometimes, and you get this like nice seamless look, you know, you just look put together, you know, like you ready for, you know, anything. So yeah. And I had a suggestion from my good old friend Teresa that I need to do more simple makeup looks. I feel like what I do for the most part is fairly simple compared to a lot of the out there YouTubers. I feel like my content is very mild when it comes to beauty, but you know, I don't have no problem with scaling it down just a bit, you know, because I really do love this look. Like, this is my go-to makeup. Like I said, I've worn it like 3-4 times now. This is go-to makeup. You know, real simple. And a lot of stuff that I used was drugstore, which is A+. That means you keep more coin in your pocket, you know, without having to like buy expensive stuff. The only expensive things that I used was the Anastasia brow pencil, my Kat Von D Lock-It concealer, my MAC powder, my Sacha Buttercup powder. Everything else was affordable and drugstore appropriate. I used the Milani 2-in-1 Perfect Conceal Foundation. That's about 10 bucks. I used a ton of black Radiance products, and all of those are drugstore. Yeah, my lashes are like $3. The only other expensive thing was the Jaclyn Hill palette that I used. Yeah, I finally got one, so I used that. But, you know, most of the stuff that I used was drugstore, or you can get from Ulta or, you know, Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, places like that. So a little bit more affordable, so you keep more coin in your pocket. So yeah, I just wanted to come up here and do this flawless natural makeup. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Please be sure to check out my previous uploads. Check out my Nothing But the Blood inspired makeup tutorial and get you a shirt, okay? Also check out my vloggity vlog. And yeah, so not gonna be up here super duper long, just wanted to go ahead and point out those few things. A new backdrop, as you can see. I wanted to mention that in the last video, but the last video was all about Nothing But the Blood. So, but new backdrop. I had a suggestion that while doing my hair tutorials, it was very hard for people to see what I was doing. So new backdrop, plus I told you in my vlog, if you watched it, that we're planning to move fairly soon. So I needed something that I could put up and take down real quick without a whole lot of hassle, and this does the job. So yeah, hope you guys like it, hope it helps. And yeah, so I'm done rambling. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe, please subscribe, and also please comment. I love to have feedback from y'all. And I appreciate it, even though it takes me some time to get back to the comments. I really do appreciate it, just to let you know that. So grateful for you guys. That's all I have to say. So be sure to check out my previous uploads. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and I will catch you guys in the next video.